Does your website have multiple subdomains like blog, shop, or support.yourdomain.com? Securing each one with its own SSL certificate can be a real headache, not to mention expensive. But what if there was a simpler, more affordable way? That's exactly where a wildcard SSL certificate comes in. Today, we're going to break down what a wildcard SSL is, how it works, and why it might be the perfect solution for your website. First, a quick refresher. An SSL certificate is that little digital key on your server that turns HTTP into HTTPS. It does two crucial things. It authenticates your website, proving it's really you, and it encrypts all the data flowing between your site and your users. Having HTTPS is non-negotiable these days for building trust, boosting your SEO, and keeping everyone safe. So, what makes a wildcard SSL special? A wildcard SSL certificate secures your main domain and all its direct subdomains under a single certificate. It does this using a little asterisk symbol. For example, if you get a wildcard certificate for star.example.com, it automatically secures blog.example.com, shop.example.com, mail.example.com, and any other first-level subdomain you can think of. It's incredibly flexible. Here's how it simplifies your life. Instead of buying and installing a separate certificate for every single subdomain, you just install one. You validate your main domain once, and boom! Every subdomain is automatically protected. The benefits are huge. First, it's way more cost-effective. One certificate for unlimited subdomains is always cheaper than buying them one by one. Second, management is a breeze. You only have one expiration date to track, not a dozen. And third, it offers automatic coverage. When you create a new subdomain later on, it's instantly secured without any extra work. Plus, wildcard SSLs are available for both domain validation and organization validation, giving you options. But there are a couple of limitations to keep in mind. A wildcard only covers first-level subdomains. It won't secure something like shop.uk.example.com. For that, you need a multi-domain certificate. Also, extended validation or EV certificates are not available as wildcards. So who is this for? A wildcard certificate is perfect for businesses with multiple subdomains, e-commerce stores with different sections, SaaS platforms, or any website that's expected to grow and add new subdomains over time. If you manage a domain with several subdomains, a wildcard SSL keeps things secure, simple, and scalable. To sum it up, a wildcard SSL certificate saves you money, cuts down on administrative time, and simplifies your entire security setup. If you're looking for a reliable wildcard SSL certificate from top brands, visit us at SSL Dragon. We offer expert support and great prices to keep your website secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more cybersecurity guides.